Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to day 18 of the Advent Calendar in a book, The Escape Room, where you solve the mysteries of Christmas. Today, we are doing Amy's letter. So let's go straight back down. We can have a look at the chapter and then see about the puzzle. See if it's any better than our previous ones have been. A crackle, then a light click echoed in the air. Suddenly, the light burst forth, white and harsh, revealing the harsh contours of the lighthouse. And, almost immediately, as if moved by an involuntary memory, dusty garlands twisted along the beams lit up with a small flickering lights. A timid red, a faded green, a trembling gold, like memories. The old man, motionless before his modest fairyland, frowned and grunted softly, as if embarrassed by the spectacle. Don't pay attention to it. I plug 'em in every year, without really knowing why. No one ever comes here anyway. The ground floor of the lighthouse, now bathed in a wavering light, revealed a silent, almost melancholic disorder. A rickety table, covered with damp papers and old nautical charts, stood in the centre like a forgotten altar. In a corner, a rusty stove, blackened by the years, still exuded a dying warmth, while boots full of salt trailed across a moth-eaten carpet. A few frames hung crookedly showed blurred, ageless faces that the sea itself seemed to have erased. They soon began climbing the spiral staircase, each step creaking beneath their feet like a complaint. The silence was broken only by the sound of wind hitting the windows. The man spoke in a low voice, almost to himself, his words trailing behind him like a shadow. You know, I made choices, not always good ones. I ran away from dinner parties, people, and obligations. I preferred to be alone, less noise, fewer clashes. And then the years passed, too quickly perhaps. I let faces, voices slip away, and now, here it is. He shrugged wearily, as if closing a book he couldn't understand. Leon, without really knowing why, felt a dull ache within him, as if those words were taken from his own memories, or from thoughts he'd never confessed. They reached the middle floor of the lighthouse, a bare room with dull walls, furnished with a narrow couch, a wardrobe tied up with a rope, and an unlit stove stood there. Everything here exuded economy of gesture and reunification. A kerosene lamp cast a yellow glow over a small table. On it lay folded sheets of thin paper blackened with ink. The man approached it and took it with his fingertips. It's from my sister, the last one, I think, who still remembers me. She writes to me every year, but I can't read it. My eyes are getting tired. Or maybe it's my heart that refuses to understand. He handed the letter to Leon without looking at him. Leon took it, his fingers hesitant. A shiver ran down his spine. Something about this room and this lonely old man's voice seemed familiar, but it eluded him, like a dream upon waking. The old man can't understand his sister's letter. Maybe Leon can see more clearly. Yeah, okay. I can't see that much more clearly. Is it upside down? Is it in some sort of code? I'm assuming it's a code, but it sort of looks right, but it doesn't. It's just going to be a code, and it's going to be some sort of cipher. And we're going to have to figure out what each letter symbol means, and I can't be doing all that. Let me open up the website page and check to see what it thinks it needs, and we'll go from there. Well, there we go. It says your answer. Enter your answer below. This is going to be another one that's not going to be quite right, and I can't be figuring all of it out. Let's have a look. Strong resemblance between the old man and Leon. I reckon he is Leon, but like an older version of him. But we'll have a look. That's the first hint. Two men are the same person. The letter is signed Amy. So there we go. That's what's telling us. Got A, M, and Y down the bottom there. So we should figure out what it says. It probably says 2. No, that'd be M. My. Wouldn't be dear. Yeah, because that's my dear brother, probably. Yeah, I could probably work it out by going through and figuring it all out, but oh, what the hell? Let's do it. I did want to save the book because I'll never, might want to use it again, but I'm not. So let's write in the book, my dear, I'm guessing brother. Seems to be, doesn't it? We've got Amy down the bottom there. So, right, let's see. The squiggly thing is an A. So let's put that in. It's not that one. It's the squiggly one the other way. There should be fair few A's. A gets used quite a lot, doesn't it, in words? So once we put in all the letters that we have, I've got Y as well. So that's Y. I could probably do a couple at a time. And we figure out the rest from there, can't we? A squiggly thing, a different squiggly thing, Y, it's gonna be U, O, is that one? Yeah, that's gonna be U, isn't it? Right. Two together is probably at the end of a word is probably going to be S, but we haven't got an S yet to be sure. That's a U, Y rather. That's a Y. That's an O. That's a U, so that'll probably be an R because it's got to be. Got a Y there. I should start going back along lines again, or I'm going to get confused. A, Y, Y, O, U. Squiggly thing the other way. That's a Y, and that's an O and a U again. Yeah, this is quite not easy. It's lots of U in it. No. I quite enjoy this sort of thing. That's a U. It's going to be U at the end. Okay, I quite enjoy code breaking type things. I'll put in the Y's that I forgot about at the beginning because I wasn't doing them to begin with. That's U. And that, I think, are all of those. Let's see, are there any more D's? I did see a couple of them. There you go. There's a D there. D there. D there. And probably A and a D this side is probably going to be an N in the middle, isn't it? So let's try again. Let's just go through and get all these. What we're doing, D's. That squiggly thing there looks like it could be D's. There you go. D. O. I did U, didn't I? Yes, so that is O. D there. That's a D there, and that's an O, isn't it? Yeah. And that's a D. That's probably the same as that one. Single letter is probably going to be A. I've got an A there, which isn't that one actually. E? No, O. I. Got to be an I. If it's not an A, an O. Single letter's got to be I, isn't it? So let's just check to see if, yeah, I. Yeah, that's going to be I. So let's put those in as well. There's probably some other ones that I'm missing out. Other letters that I'd definitely be able to figure out. There's that one. That's from U, isn't it? That's O. Am I going to see any more of them? If I see any more of them, I'll try and put them in. But is that one? That's an O. Yeah. That's the one I was just doing. I. It's probably in is or I am. That's I. That's an O. Another O there. 9 thing. I haven't got that yet. No. Don't know what that is. There's an I there. Yeah. Oh, this is quite good fun. I quite enjoy this. That was A, wasn't it? Oh, A something A. Oh, it's A. There's two letters. Probably. That's an O. One with the T thing in it. Yep. That's an A there. I missed that one. See. Probably an M. That one. Did I figure out? No. S as yeah. Probably an S, but I'm not 100% certain yet. Getting some more of these, and that should give me enough to figure it out. There's another one of them. What was that? D. That's an A. I missed, and that's another D. Probably an I. I figured that one out. That's what I was going for, isn't it? Eyes. Another I there. Another one there, and that was the T thing. That's an O. Another I. That's U. I haven't put in the U's yet, have I? I've got to go through and do all of those. I'll get down to the bottom of this and figure out where we are. That was a U. See, I'm getting some of them. I'm learning some of them eventually. It might take me a while to learn some things, but some things I do learn. That was an O. I there. I there. I there. So, no other words jumping out at me yet. I'm reckon that's an end. That G with a line underneath, it's going to be an N. So there's an N there. Let's just have a scan through for the. It's an N. An N. Another N. That might not work. Some of it might be reading wrong because of the. Not the font is different. It's not all exactly the same because it's handwritten. So that's O, isn't it? Yeah. N, an apostrophe. So that's going to be a T in it. So there we go. Yeah, that's definitely an N then. Is that an N there and then a squiggly thing? Y N something Y? Or is that a different symbol entirely? I don't know. Some of it's not very clear. That's definitely a T though. So I'm going to put T's in the middle there. Did I have that one? That was what I've just done. T. Oh, yeah, too. I am writing to you again. Yeah. Yeah. Writing. I. Is that an I? Wait a minute, I had an I. I knew what an I was, and it wasn't that. I is that. That's not the same as that, is it? Or it might be. I don't know. Yeah, I'm writing to you again. Something you don't. Something. Right, I could do this, but it's going to take a long time going through and figuring it out word by word. So let's just go through that again. Yeah, my dear brother. Yeah, I got that bit. I'm happy with that. Encrypted word like those from the letter. Somewhere else in the book, is it? On the back cover. Oh, there we go. We've got something down there. I don't know what that says. Let's just get the solution. Melancholy is the solution. Understand that the old man, Leon, same person. The letter is signed Amy. The first sentence, my dear brother. Once the letter is read, this find the expected word. MELANCHOLY is the answer. So let's put that in there then, shall we? Is it going to have to be all in capitals or something? Is it not going to like it? H-O-L-Y. Yes, it liked it. All right, the letter is, my dear brother, I'm writing to you again, even though you never respond. I'm writing to you again, even though you never. No, that's not responding. You never. Let's not respond. That starts with an A. Maybe that's not an N. Maybe you. Anyway, maybe you don't even read my letters anymore. But Christmas is approaching, and I can't help hoping once again that you will come. The children talk about you like a distant hero. I put that on screen for you so you can read it. Christmas is approaching, but I can't help hoping once again that you would come. The children talk about you like a distant hero. They don't understand your silence, and neither do I. I miss you. We miss you. If you want to come, the door will be open. But this is the last time I will write to you. We love you, Amy. And code 7 is plot. So there we go. We've got another day done. I enjoyed that. I could have done that one. It just would have taken time, and I would have figured out why that was wrong, because it's not quite the same as the N. That's a B. Oh, yeah, I suppose it is closer to that than that. Although that's very similar, isn't it? Anyway, that's that. I'm happy with how that's done. I was just pointing at things in the book. Yeah, that under the B is very much the same as that, but that's almost the same as the N. So, yeah, I forgive myself for not having that right. But that's another day done. Join me tomorrow when we find out what happens in the lighthouse with the letter from Amy to Leon himself twice. I don't know, he's the same person twice. I don't know. Join me tomorrow and find out more about the story. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.